to the vlog. This is my second video for my channel. Thank you for the 39 subscribers. When I first opened up this channel, I had like maybe 8 subscribers. Now I have 39. Like, I am just so happy that you guys are actually interested in my stuff. Like, this just makes me so happy. What I did today is, because it's December, I have written down a little Santa Claus pattern, a little pink and white Santa Claus pattern. You can glue it or you can sew it in. So I think I'm going to do that, and I've written it all down onto Canva. Once I've finished this and I'll show you guys, I will upload this onto my Etsy. And if you want my Etsy account, I'm pretty sure I have it linked in my bio, but if not, just comment down below and I will give you the link to my Etsy. We have these 4 colors. I think we're going to start with the pink for the body. Just go ahead and start, I guess. So we've done our pink and we're going to change to our brown. Now added the brown. It looks pretty good, I think. So we've got one more round of brown to do around here, and then we're going to change to pink. Also, what I like to do is I like to tie the loose ends just so that it keeps it a bit more secure. So I just did a knot there, and we're going to continue with the brown. We've done all the rounds. We've finished the change to pink, 11 to 14, and then we're going to change to skin color. So I'm going to do the skin color and then we're going to stuff it. I think I might actually do this color instead of this color. I feel like it's more of a skin tone kind of.
This one is hot.
No, it's his pants.
It's his bed.
Yeah.
But you don't like the hat though.
It does look like a hat, doesn't it? The skin's going to go from 15 to 21 row. I'll be back once I'm finished doing some skin color. We're on the last round of the first lot of skin color. We'll start closing this up so that we can make like a body area. We finished the body, so we're just going to stuff it. So we stuffed this one, and then we're just going to close up the top. Yeah. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful dress. What's on there?
Cherry.
I love hot cherries. Okay, so we finished making the body and stuffing it. And the next thing we're going to do is we're still going to make 2 arms, 2 legs, and the pink hat, the pom-pom, and the mustache, and the beard. So we will do that. Hey guys, look at this case my husband got me. And it's like, it is just, oh, I have been obsessed with cases. I love cases. It like tells your whole vibe of who you are. That's what I think anyway. We're just going to make the arms, the legs, and the hat. So we made the 1 foot, and we're going to make another one, and the 2 arms and the hat. I've only just got to do the hat and the mustache and the beard and the nose. So I'm just going to be watching Ryan and Montana and Ryan Fontana. If you don't watch these guys, they're pretty funny, but they're also so real as well. Like, she's going through fertility problems, and they're just going through all of the stuff and how open they are to it. I'm just going to be watching that while I finish off doing this hat. How he spoils her, like he is the epitome of a husband, like what a husband should be. what kids should see their parents doing all the time, like love and laughing. Like, I just love them so much. So I've done the top of the hat. I'm going to add the white along, and then we're going to do the mustache and the beard nose. So we finished doing the beard, the mustache, I mean the legs, arms, the pom-pom and the nose. We can't forget the hat. So now we're just going to sew these on. We're just going to sew that on top of our hat. Look at that. So I think we put the arms on round 13 and 14. So I just went ahead and I put on the two arms and the feet. It's coming together really well. Look how cute that's gonna be. I mean, maybe I should put a flush on top. So cute. Okay, I'm finally done Santa Claus, and I'm actually very proud. I'm actually very, very proud of it. Let's have a look. I mean, he is so cute. Look at it. And we can like sit him down because his legs are like that. It is so cute. I will be having this pattern up on my Etsy in the next day or two, so be sure to keep on checking that out. Thank you for coming along with me. This has taken me all day because we went to the shops and Christmas stuff, and we've got the Christmas fair this afternoon, so I finally got this done and he is so cute. Thank you for watching this vlog. Bye.